Hello, Stampers. I'm Dina Lanzendorf with Ink and with Dink, and today I decided to do a video for you showing my July paper pumpkin alternatives. Now, I typically do this on a Facebook Live, but the week that I usually do this, I was sick, and I still have the cold and the cough and everything, so I am not doing a Facebook Live this time. I'm actually doing a video. That way, if I have a coughing fit or whatever, I can stop the video and then restart it again. So, okay, so this is the instructions or the cards that we made with the July 2019 paper pumpkin. So it's called On My Mind, and it makes 3 different card designs, and you get to make 3 of each of them. Okay, so every month it always comes with a picture of what your items are look like, your projects. Comes with step-by-step instructions. It comes with a little stamp pad like a little ink spot in their color, and then you get a stamp set. Okay, so for this one that came with it, I really like it. I like the sentiments on it. It says, "Hello, friend. You've been on my mind. You're the best, and happy birthday." And then it also has a shell and then a little medallion stamp with it. So it really is a fun kit this month, and a little different than normal because all 3 of these cards are so totally different. Usually what they do, it seems like all the cards really coordinate and go well together, but these are 3 very separate, distinct cards, but I really kind of like it. I like the difference in it. So all right, so these are the 3 cards that you could make with the kit. This is the first one with the sailboat and the wheel. I just love it. I think it's such a pretty card, very nice masculine birthday card. Okay, then there was this one that we could make, which just, I like the colors on it, very pretty. The terracotta tile, the, oh, what's the new blue that's out? The peacock, pretty peacock. So just pretty colors, I thought. And then also this one here, You're the Best. And this one is a neat card because I don't know if you can see it, but it's all embossed and has little polka dots that stand up. So it was kind of a fun card to play with. All right, so then I always sit down, and after I've made one of each of the cards that the pack is designed for, I like to play and see what other kinds of cards I can make. So here's one of them I made, again with the sailboat. I stamped the shell, okay, was part of the stamp set, and then just kind of came up with this particular card, okay. And I will kind of keep up here in the corner the one that the kit showed, and then that way you can kind of see what my alternatives were to see what pieces I used and what I didn't use. So that one there. I did this one here, okay, which you know, just again, something different. I wanted to make it look like some water, so I used some Night of Navy paper or cardstock to do that on. And then this piece back behind here is actually the back piece of one of these cards. Okay, so they're striped on the front and solid on the back. So you'll see in a minute I used this stripe piece on a different card, so I just flipped it over and used it on the card right there. Okay. Let's see, let me look through my stash for sailboat ones. Okay, so I did this one. I had, used 2 of the wheels that I thought was pretty on there. And this is the one where I just cut the card piece in half, the base, trimmed it down a little bit, and used that for the front piece of this card. Okay, so I thought that was kind of a fun one. And then that was it for the sail ones. Okay, so then there was this one. So I made this one right here, okay? So this one opens up like this, okay? It's a stand-up card like that, but I wanted to do one on the side. So this is actually the background card to the 3rd design, but I decided to use it with the leaves and the sprigs and stuff on there, okay? Also did this one here. This one was pretty fun and easy to do. I just took this main piece and cut it in half and then kind of separated it when I put it on. Stamped the medallion to put on there because I do think that's really pretty, and it coordinates perfectly with the 1.5-inch circle punch. Okay, and I tried to get this linen thread on as many of the cards as I possibly could in some way or another. I think it adds great texture and dimension to cards. Okay, and then looks like that's it for those. Okay, so my final design looked like this. Okay, and this one I really went crazy with and kind of did some different things. So I did this one, which I just used the same piece, but I took one of the coordinating colors in it to back it, and then I stamped the medallion on the background. So just kind of something different. Okay. And then this one here, I used the same piece, but I had a few of these flag pieces. They're on a couple of the different cards. In fact, the flags are on all 3 cards. So I had some extra ones that I just popped 3 behind there to kind of give it that look. And then the one I really stepped out of the box is this one here, which I thought was so fun. It again uses that embossed background piece. And then I just did 4 of the medallions down here and then extra flag pieces, stamped my sentiment on there. And then I thought it was kind of fun. I really, like I said, I love the linen thread. So I just made 4 bows and glue dotted them into the middle of my medallions. So there you go. There are all of my designs, all of my alternatives and cards from this month's Paper Pumpkin Kit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I made 11 different cards with my kit. And I just love the Paper Pumpkin. I hope that you guys, if you are currently a subscriber, like it too. If you're not a subscriber, you really should consider it because it is a great thing that comes in the mail every month, gives you some time to play. If you don't have a lot of creative ideas, you can wait and watch my video or Facebook Live that I do every month, giving alternatives. And something I'm going to start doing for my personal Paper Pumpkin subscribers is I'm going to start sending out a PDF every month of alternatives with the kit. Now, they're not just my alternatives. I have gone in with 2 other Stampin' Up! Demonstrators, and so it is their ideas too. So it's going to be nice to have some different tastes, some different views and styles. With cards. And so the PDF every month will have at least 9 alternatives, maybe more. So if you're not currently a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, contact me and I will get you signed up for it. And thanks for watching.